Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm in Ishma, I'm just outside Wembley Bar, taking a little walk here, and we have a pint for £1.20, which is £2 English money. Really good price. So yeah, if you're in this part of Ishma, do check out Wembley Bar. But yeah, let's see Wagwan. You guys all know the vibe. Let's go crossover. So yeah, let me know if you've stayed in this area where Wembley Bar is. We've not really been up to this part of Ishma, so we thought we'd check it out. I'll have to do a shout out at the end of the video because I have been recommended that bar from a few people when I posted in the groups. So I will give a little shout out at the end, and if you are watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, everything in between. Really do appreciate it. So you've got little hairdressers there. Kirk's hopefully going to get his beard shaved on this holiday. Needs it. It's turning into a bit of a hairy man. Oh, speak of it, Kirklick. So yeah, it seems a little bit more residential, more apartments this end. Where we're staying, we're sort of like right about 2 minutes from the beach, and in the heart of it, so there's more sort of hotels where we are, the part of Ishma we're staying in. Yeah, it's absolutely roasting, sweating. Got the so that's one of the supermarkets or shops they have here. They also have Migros, and I can't remember what the other one is. So you've got a supermarket here if you are staying in this area. Got the lovely mountains there as well. So yeah, a lot more quieter. But yeah, the sort of vibe for this time round, us being here, a lot of people, like people actually work here, reside here, are saying that, you know, it's a lot quieter than it was this time last year. And obviously with a lot of going on in the world, they just want to make sure that people aren't worried and they know it's safe and you're still going to have a great holiday. So yeah, if anyone is sort of a little bit nervous about coming to Turkey or İçmeler or Marmaris, maybe you've come before, maybe you wanted to come, but with what's going on, just put your mind at ease. It's absolutely fine. A nice little restaurant here called Sonia or Sony's. What's that one? Kadi kebab. A few little ones here. What's this one? Lush. It's closed. So yeah, so it's definitely worth the visit. Again, we do our price videos as always, so we're just kicking off to summer holidays. We'll be sort of like in about a week. So we are doing like an up-to-date prices for anyone that's coming out of the family and stuff. So like I said, we just went to Wembley's Bar and that was £1.20, which is £2. I'm not sure what it is in dollars. I'll try and sort of put a conversion rate on there for you. Look at that up there. Oh, beautiful breeze. Needed that. So yeah, so there is still places you can find cheap drinks. Obviously, if you're doing all inclusive, you got your drinks in your hotel and everything. So me and Kirk have got that this time round, but we are still coming out. We do like to come out. Went to Marmaris yesterday. Went to Boom Bar. If you want to check that out, it's on the channel. You do enjoy Boom Bar because you've got a bit more activities. Just, you know, we like sort of just beer pong, pool tables, darts, arcade games. Just, yeah, a little bit more stuff to do. And then you've got the beach, you can still sort of sunbathe. They've got their own little like dock area. That's in Marmaris. And then I think today I'm going to go back to the hotel and it's so hot and just chill by the pool. So got Alba there, lounge bar, cocktail lab. Some good prices. Got the new camera now so I can see a bit more. Oh no, I'm good, thank you. So yeah, I'm using a new camera, so I'm still sort of trying to get us to grips with it. So light as well, like my action camera wasn't heavy, but this is like so light. Sometimes forget that I'm even holding a camera, which is so good. Really good. Oh, got everything on that then. Yeah, there he is. So yeah, let me know if you stayed in this part of Ishma. Wow, it looks like a big building up there. I don't know if that's a church or a house. But yeah, I'm definitely getting more apartments, Airbnb vibe this end. You have to let me know, is this more like owned, that people have their properties here, or is it more hotels? But yeah, look at that one there. Let's go up to it. Make sure I don't get lost. Number one rule. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I can have a tendency to get lost, but great adventures happen when you get lost. But I know it's straight and then straight back. So what's that one? Hotel and apartment. And then this one looks nice as well. Looks like it's got a pool. Let's see if I can show you guys. It's all pointless, isn't it? Let's see what one. There we go. You guys can see. Yeah, not too bad. And getting into the part we're staying, so like the busy area where you've got all the bars and restaurants and everything. If you've got one of those little scooters, 3 minutes. If you're walking, it's like 13 minutes, it says. So you're literally not that far from the beach. So if you don't want to be in the heart of it and you want to like have that a little bit more quiet, this does not seem like a bad area to stay in. And like I said, recommended this by a couple of people in my comments, so thank you. It's always good to find new places. And like I said, the drink was really cheap at Wembley. So what's this one? We've got set menus. Hello.
Hello.
Live music. Right, I think we're going to go a little bit further and then we'll turn around.
Hello.
Hello, you okay? Oh no, I'm okay. I'm just doing a little video. What's the name of the place?
The name of the place is Mojo.
Ah, there you go, Mojo. Thank you very much.
We can offer you some drink if you want.
Oh,
Coffee, tea, something.
I'm absolutely fine. Thank you so much though. Thank you. So that was Mojo, guys. Got a little corner shop here. Oh, it's so hot. I feel like my camera is on fire. There's moments of a breeze, but yeah, very, very hot. It's definitely a sit by the pool afternoon, which I think is what most people are doing. It's quite nice up there. Probably more resorts up there. And then, as you can see, like straight ahead, there's some more sort of like bars and stuff. Yeah, you don't need a driving license for those. They are very fun. Right, I'm gonna spin around at this supermarket, I think. Little bus stop here as well. See where it goes. Doesn't say. Oh, hang on. There you go. Right, it says crossover. So another supermarket there. Nice big size. Really big size. And you got the doner kebab here, Cobra. Oh, sorry, Kyara. Right, is it safe to cross? So yes, that's where I came from, up that side. So yeah, not a bad little walk. Yeah, got the supermarket here. And then what have you got here? Nice little supermarket, and then you've got a fresh fruit and veg. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's another little area that yeah, I've not been to before. So let me just get my details out, because I do want to do a little shout out. So if you have made it to the end of the video, really do appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and a massive thank you to John Halden. Turn it around so you guys can see me. So a massive thank you to John Halden, Claire and Stephen for recommending Wembley Bar. Really do appreciate it. Hopefully you're watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.